So keeping with the future, let's talk about our young people and young people who are interested in a STEM career. How important do you think they are?
They're hugely important. The way we live has improved so much. And think back in terms of what are the underlying forces. A lot of that is really due to technology advances. And so more people well-versed in STEM fields, and that will help them to see the underlying relationships about things and to reason about things, to come up with new ways, better ways to engineer systems. Those will all help us.
Now, MITRE has a really strong internship program
Yes.
for people who are interested in STEM.
Yep.
Clearly, I host a show that includes brilliant students who will move into STEM careers. What would you like them to know?
So last summer, we hosted about 600 interns.
Wow.
Yeah, and about 90 of them are high school students. And we're extremely glad and pleased to see so many people so early in their career coming to places like MITRE and other big tech companies or government labs to do internship, to learn about technologies, to learn about how they can make a difference in technology fields.
And how do you see the changes in these interns from start to finish?
I will cite one particular internship program we have here. It's called Cyber Futures Program. And that program is targeted for HBCU, historically Black colleges, and minority serving institutions. And we bring those people when they are in like freshman, sophomore, junior years. And many of them come here to that internship program because they want some hands-on experiences. And those are typically people that are really driven for public services. And I'm very happy to say that after 10 weeks of intense work involving hands-on work, putting those students on our actual projects that make a difference, many of them, so 95% or more of them, after graduation, all say they want to become cyber professionals.
So these students who are not just interested in STEM, but interested in the greater good,
yes,
the public good,
yes,
they have an enormous role in our future.
Absolutely. And we also have hired some of those graduates from past internship. So then they can develop their technical and professional skills, and also very diverse programs and skills, and also building up professional networks, which is also very important. Working side by side with world-class cyber experts here at MITRE.